Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you something that could completely change your digital product game. What if I told you that you could take just one single PLR product and turn it into 5 different income streams? Yes, you heard that right. One product, 5 ways to make money. Let me show you how to stretch one simple product into a full-fledged digital business. Let's say you buy a PLR ebook about a popular topic, like mindfulness for beginners. Right there, you have your first income stream. You can rebrand it with your own cover, add your name as the author, and sell it directly on your website or platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. That's stream number 1, the easiest and most direct way. Now let's get creative for income stream number 2. Take that ebook and break it down into smaller, bite-sized pieces. You can turn each chapter into a separate blog post or a series of high-value emails for your newsletter. This content attracts your ideal audience, builds trust, and you can monetize it with affiliate links or ads. You're not just selling a product. You're building an audience. For our third income stream, let's go premium. Use the ebook's content as a script to create a video course or an audio guide. People learn in different ways, and many will pay more for video or audio content. You can host this on platforms like Teachable or Kajabi and sell it as a high-ticket item. Now you have a low-cost ebook and a premium course from the same source material. Ready for number 4? Let's create a challenge. Turn the concepts from the ebook into a 7-day or 21-day mindfulness challenge. You can deliver this through email, a private Facebook group, or even text messages. This is a fantastic way to engage your community and create a recurring revenue stream if you run the challenge multiple times a year. People love structured programs that guide them step by step. Finally, income stream number 5 is all about creating supplementary materials. From that one ebook, you can design printable workbooks, checklists, or guided meditation scripts. These are perfect upsells or lead magnets to grow your email list. You can bundle them together or sell them individually. See how that works? We've just turned one PLR ebook into an entire ecosystem of products. So one PLR product can become an ebook, a blog series, a video course, a paid challenge, and a set of printable resources. That's how you build a resilient and diverse digital business. Don't just sell the PLR as is. Think bigger and repurpose it to serve your audience in multiple ways. I hope this sparked some ideas for you. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips on growing your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.